Pa? Buo? Pwede. Ayun. Wala namang naglalaro. Walang action. Dapat pala kanina ginawa ko, nag-zoom in ako para kita-kita yung mga layup mo ba?
Let's start the second half. Jeb, Cupid. Cupid to Hobbs with the jumper for 2, assist by Mr. Cupid.
Congratulations again to RSG Handiworks!
Ang gulo.
Abel. To Hill pass to number 2, lost it. Ryan with the steal. To Chris pass to the referee. Here to Joey. Arnold. Abel jumper in the corner, no good. Rebounded by Hobbs. Hobbs 3 against 1. Bounce passer, lost it. Ball goes to 1 Dallas.
Yeah. Okay.
Number 3 goes to the half line. Pass to Joey. Joey looking for a teammate. Against Ryan. Number 3 pass through. Lost it. Arnold lost the ball. Turnover by Ron Dallas. Hobbs bounce pass to Goods. Goods to Jet. Almost a steal by Ron Dallas. Recovered by Jet. Ryan jumper. Oh, the game. Arnold with a rebound. Oh, turnover again by Ron Dallas. Good defense by Jet Stop.
Sa akin yan. Sa akin yan.
Hobbs against Joe. Hobbs for 3. Yes. Oh, net. 3. The score is 32-35. 32-25. One Dallas score by 7 points. Time remaining 3 minutes 13 in the first six. Joey against Ryan. Crosscourt pass to Hill. Hill drives underneath. Steal by Hobbs. Jet trying to catch. Leano lays it up. No! Hobbs with the rebound. Follows it up. It's strong. Papa P. Arnold. Abel with no touching the ring shot.
Papa P, hindi nakita ng camera.
Hey, listen to Cupid. Goods with a long, with a 3 or good. Here with the long rebound. Hill escaping the pressure from Jet Stop. Joey for a long 3. Yes! That's his third 3-point shot, or fourth 3-point shot of the night. 2 minutes, 10 seconds remaining. The score is 35-25. 10-point lead by Ron Dallas. Jet, pass to Cupid. Cupid for 3. Yes! Oh, net! Assist from Jet. It's not your ball. It's not your ball. 35-28.
Hey, replace! Hanap kayo nakapalit!
Pare, pasok ka! Sa bro!
One minute 45. Oh, turnover by Juan Dallas. Flip it. Score is 35-28. 7-point lead by Juan Dallas Steelers. 1 minute 30 remaining in this first six. Hobbs turnaround shot. No, Papa P with a rebound. Papa P brings down the ball. Bounce pass to Hill. Pass to Joey back to Hill for three. Yeah! Assist from Joey. Rebound shot by Hill. 1 minute 5 seconds. 10-point lead by Juan Dallas Steelers. 38-28. Jeff open. No good. Joey with the rebound. Back to Abel. Hill, another three. Nope. Hobbs with the rebound. Pass to Goods. 3 against 3. Clippers for 3. Short. Rebound by Ryan. Goods. Jumper. Short. Rebounded by Goods. Follows up. Back shot for 2. 30 seconds remaining. 38-30. 8-point lead. 25 seconds. 15 seconds. Turnover by Juan Dallas. 10 seconds remaining. Timeout.
Kung yung tres kanina ni Aldrin, nangyari nung last shot.
7 seconds remaining.
Oo.
Timeout by Jet Stop.
Nanalo sila sa ano na yun eh. Yung dahil sa one-on-one.
Red. Who's timeout?
Naka one-on-one na yun.
The black? Okay. Jet Stop timeout. That's their first timeout in the second half. Let's play. 7 seconds remaining. Boom. Oh, Steve Hill! Pass to Hill. Takes it for 3. Got it. Black ball. This is not a timeout. Go ahead. Yung cameraman mo. Yung cameraman.
Thank you rin. Yan yung ano namin, no?
Congratulations ulit sa RSG Handboards for winning the first game against Juan.
Let's go.
Nakapag back-to-back na yan si coach namin. Nakapag back-to-back na. Kagabi. At saka...
Cupid drives to the basket, escapes the defense, rebounded by Julie.
white one.
Last touch by
Hindi naman nasa kailangan. Jet, umupo ka lang kaya, Jet.
Matt. Ball remains with Jet Stop. Jeffrey, no shot. Christian with a rebound. Christian all the way to Jumper using the glass. Good for two, assist by Christian. 5 minutes, 8 remaining in the second set. Score is 30-30. 10-point lead by Juan Dallas. Jeffrey throws it. Jepper with a rebound. Jepper to Christian. Wow, what a shot by Christian. Good assist for Jepper. Jeffrey to Goods. Goods to Jet. Goods against Rene. To Jiffy, 3-point shot. Nope. Matt with a rebound. Shepard. Thinking of passing it to Rene. Rene, favorite shot. Long. Jimmy with a rebound. Jiffy against 3. Short. Rene rebounds it. Rene to Christian.
Yan yung problema sa team pag hindi lahat nandyan.
Rene jumper, yes, assist from Jekyll.
Kawawa yung
2
kawawa yung
points
team.
for West Rene. Score is 34-30, 14-point lead. 4 minutes, 30 seconds remaining in the second 6 of the second half. GP jumper is good, assist from Cupid. Assist from Cupid, 2 points from Jiffy. 12-point lead, 34-32. A boy, favorite shot, no good. Matt with a rebound and a steal by Jet. Jiffy sidesteps, lays it up, no good.
Pagod na. Pagod na eh.
Jumper, short. Jet with a
Rebound by Jet!
no something rebound. Jet waiting for his teammates, waiting for his opponent. Goods, bounce back, pass to Jet. Back to Cupid. Moving the ball around to Jiffy against Christian. Jumper, short. Julie with a rebound, follows it up, no, strong. Last touch, according to the ref, is $1 for release with jet stop. 2 minutes, 15 seconds remaining in the second 6 for the 432 $1 by 12 points. Goods against Rene. Oh, steal by Jekyll. Jekyll. Oh, lazy pass. Converted. Steal and 2 points by Jekyll. The lead balloons to 16, 48, 32. 1 minute, 40 remaining. Goods jumper, no, Jiffy with a rebound. Back block by Matt.
Lakas na yung Colmat.
Steal by Matt. A bad shot, no, strong. Christian with a rebound. Another. Jumper recovers it. Jumper short. Goods controls the ball. 1 minute, 5 seconds remaining in the second 6. 48-32, 16-point lead by $1. Jim Lee thinking of the 3. Cross-court pass to Cupid. Cupid fakes it. Jumper using the glass. Nope, strong. Christian with the rebound. Rene using a slow hit. Cupid with a steal. Jiffy lays it up. Oh, yes. Rebound by Jiffy. Follows it up. No. Jiffy controls the ball. 3-on-2. Rene favorite jumper is assist from Jekyll. Matt with the steal. Jekyll bounce pass to Christian. Another 2 points. Assist from Jekyll. 8 seconds remaining. Nope. Julie missed with a long rebound by Julie. The score is 52-32, 20-point lead. We are now in the last 8 minutes of the ball game. We have a 24-second shot clock. Let's go! Okay, there goes start of the second eight, last eight. Jiffy with a jumper, 2 points. That's a violation. Right there.
Did you hit the ring?
Papatu. Last touch by Max. Hubs.
Papa B, nakuha mo yung bola, Papa B!
Maybe let me see. Can you please clear that area?
Papa B, nakuha mo yung bola.
15 seconds shot clock. Arnold, pass to Arnold. Got down by Jiffy. Is it a 2-shot? Number 4, Jiffy. Second personal, first team foul on Jet Stop, 2 shots for Arnold.
So, may.
I'm surprised Jet Stop is behind.
Ano?
You have a good mix.
Dali, ang problema kaya wala di po sila kompleto. Mga na may pait.
Sometimes it goes against you to be complete.
Second shot for Arnold is good for
The farmers insurance, they won 5
19.3.
players, but they have the 5 good players.
Ryan,
Yeah, one na mo one.
Hubs for 3.
Basta ang 5 play, mayo ang player, key
You
player.
have a good one,
Pass
Susan.
by Jerry.
It's like bring Lee all the time.
Okay lang daw, absent tong di ka-shoot.
Last
Ang mga
touch
mayo
by
na.
Jet Stop. Ball remains with Juan Dallas.
They make that arrangement like, hey, all our subs stay home. We get a chance.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing about that. Is like sometimes being complete is against you.
Jerry for 3 short. Jiffy with a rebound.
You can't control our sub. They have 5, so we're just gonna keep our 5.
12-second shot clock. Turnover by Jet Stop. 7 minutes to go. Score is 6-3. Foul number 6. Okay, ball remains with Jet Stop. Second personal, first team foul on Juan Dallas. Julie for 3. Rebound by Julie. Hubs turnaround shot, no good. Papa P, long rebound. Takes it all the way, no good.
Jay,
Here with the rebound. Here for 3, short. Hubs with the rebound. Long pass to Jiffy. Jiffy all the way. Yes, 2 points for Jiffy. 53-36. 17-point lead. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Turnover by Jet Stop. Joey with an assist.
Hey!
Christian bringing down the ball. 15-second shot clock. Steal by Ryan. Hubs there.
Only a time, man. She hops, bata ka siya. 3 points?
Yes. Another reverse shot by Hill. Papa P with the assist. for three. Nope. Jiffy taps it, rebounds it. Got fouled. Jimmy got fouled by Christian. That's Christian's. Christian's third personal. Second team foul on one Dallas. 2 shots for Julie. First shot is good. 4 minutes and a half. Second shot for Julie is good. 55-41. It's still a manageable lead, but 14-point lead. Christian jumper, nope. Jiffy with a rebound. Bounce pass to Cupid. 3 against 2. Cupid to Joe. Miscommunication. That substitution on the one Dallas. 3 minutes, 45 remaining.
Yan o, addict sa basketball.
55-41.
Si Chris.
14-point lead. From a 20, it's down to 40. 3 minutes, 30. 15-second shot clock. Jumper with a jumper, no. Rebound. Abel, free throw area, no. Matt with a rebound, strong rebound. 3 minutes, 10. Jiffy stepping on the line, but didn't make it. Ryan with the rebound. Ryan to Jiffy. Later for 2 assists from Ryan. It's just a 12.3, 55-43. It's still a lot of time remaining for the 50. 10 seconds. Jumper rebounded by a ball.
Hey! Come on, Papa P!
He got blocked by Matt. By Hutch.
That's a
20
shooting
seconds.
foul.
20 seconds shot clock.
2 shots!
There's no foul. He got blocked. Christian against Hutch. Abel to Rene against Brooks. Bounce pass to Papa P. 15 seconds. Throws it to Papa P. 10 seconds. Jumper.
Pinabayaan si Jimbo.
Last 2 minutes. Spin by Jiffy. What a spin by Jiffy. 2 points, Jiffy. 45-58. 50 seconds shot clock. Jekyll. 10 seconds. Rene. Abel to Jekyll. Jumper. Not shot. Rebounded by Abel. Best player by Best player. Hobbs. To Goods in seconds. Goods pass to Lowe. Papa P got the block. Goods with a rebound. Ryan assists to Jiffy for the same. 60-47. 1 minute to go in the ball game. 15 second shot clock. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. Rene over the jumper is good for the team. 62-37. 30 seconds remaining. It's a 50-point lead by $1. Hobbs for 3. Yes. Down to 12 with 26 seconds remaining. That's for me, got distracted by the crowd.
Keep shooting, huh?
19 seconds. Trinity, 15 seconds. Wow, what a shot by Matt, by Hubs. 3 points, assist from Ryan. 3